Hi, my name is Colin Hayes and I'm one of the press brake applications engineers here at MC Machinery Systems. And today we're going to be taking a look at our Videre operator enhancement tool. This is available on our Diamond Series press brakes and steps the user through everything they need to know before and during the forming process. Here we can see we have a full 3D of the workpiece looking to be bent, and it's color coded. Not only can we rotate this around, but we can zoom in to see all the detail in this 3D model. And from there, we can also take a look at the flat print. This is going to give us color-coded bend lines for bend up and bend down, allowing the operator to understand the flat to form process. Before we actually begin the forming process, we're going to want to make sure our tool layout is correct. Pulling up our tool layout screen, this gives us a one-to-one projection of the tools that need to be installed. This is especially helpful for stage bending or off-center bending, as wherever the projection is visible is where the tool section is going to be displayed. And we also have the side profiles in a one-to-one ratio. Once the tool is installed and the tool alignment is complete, the user can begin to go to the 3D depictions of the bending sequence. When they're viewing this 3D, what we see is not only before and after bend, but how to actually manipulate the part inside the press brake. You can see any flipping or rotations required. And this allows the user to start thinking about safety and hand placement even before they start operating the press brake. Understanding where this blank or workpiece is going to go during the forming process keeps the user safe and out of harm's way. Here we can see an isometric view that we can rotate. We also have the ability to go over to a top-down view. So this top-down view is also one-to-one, meaning if there's other tool stations in the setup, the user is going to be able to stand in front of the section that's illuminated in the one-to-one ratio. And as they're bending through the sequence, if they move to a different station, that's where they're going to stand and hold the workpiece. This system allows for the users to attach PDFs, DXFs, and support documentation to the program simply by saving it in the same location, going completely paperless, and allowing all data from the office to make it out onto the shop floor. During bending, we do have the ability to see the before and after target angles for each bend step. You can see the last bend was bend 1, target angle of 90 degrees, and it was 1.25 inches wide. And the next one's 135 degrees at 8.6 inches wide. So we don't have to have the operator go back to the controller. We can have them just look up, not move their center of gravity, and measure the part from there, making corrections needed. Thanks guys for joining us at a look at our Videre operator enhancement tool. We'll see you in the next one. For more information on the Videre and how to eliminate bending parts backwards and reduce scrap, visit us at our website and schedule your next demo.
You can reach us by phone and speak to a live person, or visit our website today. Your success is our priority.